Hi, I am Hemchand Joshi, data scientist, Institute Vijay Haldwani. So yesterday video you have seen range function of the three integers. Yesterday with coding I have shown you. Today we will see again Python operator, in operator and not in operator. So what is meaning of this? Let us see about the operator which is used with the range function, always denoted with the this covered comma, this covered quotation mark. In for the loop set, see a value contained inside a list, we can see within operator. Suppose 3 in 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the meaning of this? Any integer number, if it is existing in a list, that is called your that will be returned as a true. So 3 in one list 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 already existing in 3, so it will return output will be true. And as well as suppose 5 is not 5 is in 1, 2, 3, 4. What it will be not returned to it will return to 0, means it will be false. Suppose example, see not in the operator, as a 5 in the 1, 2, 3, 4 will return true as it fact. Now again I am telling you in and not in. So 5 is not in 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually statement is correct. जो 5 है वो नहीं है 1, 2, 3, 4 लिस्ट के अंदर. So that's why it is returning the value is also true. So this operator works in the in and not in operator work in the string, list and tuple. Now see in the my next video. Now see a word A in trade will return true as a continuous sequence. See A in trade, the value of character A, TRAD. So A is existing in trade. So that's why it is it return is a true value. Use the following operator code used in the operator. So line, how we are writing this, always in my every video I am telling you our basic aim is to learn coding. For coding, how to operator to be written, how this double comma to be written, how bracket should be closed, how semicolon to be written. That is the main thing. If you are doing this practice again and again, so there will be not any problem you will face. So line input, enter a line, string input, enter a string. If string is in a line, then print string is a part of the line, else it is not in line. See, if it is in line, that is coming. If I am telling you, if else means what? If it's for only one statement. If two statement is existing, then we are using else function. So if it is in line, it is with the if statement is completing. If not in line, then we will use else function. Else print string is not contained in line. So if and else both we have used. Now see our next iteration and looping of the statement. What? So before iteration and looping, you should know what is loop. So we will see. So the for loop. The for loop of a Python designed to process the item of any sequence such as a list, string, one by one journal of the for loop as given below. For variable in sequence statement to be repeated. What is meaning of flow? Statement is the repeating, flowing again and again till the time it is the requirement is completed. So for example, consider the following loop. For A in 147 print A into A. This is the body of the loop statement. With body of the loop will be executed for the each value. So loop variable for A is equal to 1, then is equal to 4, then is equal to 7 will produce output at the 1:16:49. See, for A in 147, print A, this hash, not hash, star A, it means you are multiplying number, integer number 2 times. Suppose we are considering 1, for in case of the loop, 1 into 1 will be 1 only. If you are using 4 to print, we will write 4, this star 4, it will print 16, 4 into 4 16. If you are using 7, then it will print 4 into 4 16. Now so see again example of the 4. What do you mean? What 4 does? 4 does it is repeat a sequence time sequence such a way that it will repeat again till the time your requirement is completed. Okay. Now see example of suppose we have to cubic function. Suppose print v into v into v. So let's see. So see statement, DC iteration and looping statement. Statement repeating statement allows a set of action to be performed repeatedly until a certain condition is fulfilled. So what is the looping? Looping means what? Repetition means any condition, any statement instruction is running again till the time our condition is fulfilled. The iteration statement are also called the loops. Iteration statement itself is a loop, so that's why it is called loops. So looping statement of Python provide 2 types of loop. One is your counting loop, other is your conditional loop. See what is counting loop? Counting loop, the loop repeats a certain number time, it is called the Python counting loop. Count, what is meaning of counting? We are counting in sequence. So counting loop is the loop that repeats a certain instruction to the time is called your Python counting loop. Conditional loop that repeat until a certain thing happen. See name itself it is written conditional. See loop will be repeating again and again till the time any condition is existing. So repeating as some condition is true, Python while loop or contain loop. So another loop will be your this while loop. So now we will see this loop function. What is loop? For loop of Python designed to process the item in any sequence such a list string. For loop function is what? Repeating a condition again and again till the time our requirement is fulfilled. So it is used for list and a string. So how we are writing this? We are writing for again this operator less than variable greater than in sequence statement to be written. For example, we are considering for A in 147 print A, again we will use loop. So A star A, this is the body of the loop statement of the loop will be executed. The value loop variable will be. So for we want to predict output of the A is equal to 147. So it will produce output of the 1:16:49. Suppose A is equal to 1, so 1 into 1 will be produce 1. So if you are using 4 print, we will write in bracket 4 print print 4 star 4 will print 16. Suppose now we want to find out cubic of the any value like a into a into a, it means a cube. So suppose we are listing a number 1 2 3, 1 into 1 into 1 will be 1, 2 into 2 into 2 will be 8, 3 into 3 into 3 will be 10, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 9 will be 81. Okay, so that's why this, see, for doing this coding, what we have to write, we will write for any number a b c up to z, you will write in, then you will write a list bracket that will list whatever integer number you are writing, you write. Integer number you write, and then again write print. What we have to do, you have to cube it, you have to power up to 4, power up to 5. So 10 times you will write. Suppose I have written here v into v into v, that I am writing 3 times multiplication, 4 times multiplication, again star you will write 4, then above low will produce, then you will compile that, it will produce output this way 1881. So see, for doing what we are doing, we are today we have studied what is for number, what is iteration, what is the need of for loop, how for loop is adjusting. So any statement is repeating again and again till the time condition is fulfilled. That is your flow of Python. So what is conditional loop? Conditional loop is a condition is running till the time our some condition is existing. That is your conditional loop. So next video I will teach you coding part of the for loop and while loop, how we will do coding. So any doubt, any query, you must press my bell icon and communicate with me anytime. 24 hours I am available. You write query, I will reply your comments. Thank you. That's all.